Well, hello, you trader nerds. Welcome into my birthday edition, yes, of the Sweet Bobby Show here with our trader nerds. Real traders never trade alone, they trade with their fellow nerds. And immediately following this program, we will have the Muscadine Mafia section where we will gather around the family and discuss trading stuff. Also, this time we will have the Hello Ladies game.
Hello, ladies.
And it will be open to the ninja nerds. Yeah. Yeah. That's right. So got a big day planned. So hey everybody, how you doing? Everybody okay? Market is up a little bit. We just had a big couple of red candles there, but market's still just about flat. And we had a big red volume come in for something. And looks like the alligator is about to open up its mouth. That means when it bounces back up, if you're scalping, you could go short and see if it goes short. So look, it bumped right off the mid hourly mid band there. Let's look at the big green monster, see what the big green monster says. Big green monster says that hey, we go into the 53.99.6, call it 5400, and that should serve as resistance. It should probably go there at some point in the next 10 days and bounce off of it. It'll bounce a couple of times to the 5400 before it actually pierces that number and continues to go on above. So let's look at the linear regression. See what linear regression is saying. Linear regression, if we get a candle outside, we'll wait for one more confirming candle, and then it is up to the races. Everything that I see looks really, really bullish in the market. So that's kind of what we're looking at. Bullish, 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 bullish. Bobby, do you mind sharing this chart set up? I want to get the VIX, AD, etc. Thank you, Steve, for the birthday wish there. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, let me give you that. So let's go this. So let me share this with you guys. So share grid, share, and we'll put it in there. So you'll have all the neat little tools in the little chart there. This is what I like seeing. All right, so what do we do then? Well, let's go to the, let's see, where Burke helps. And let's see where he's at. Let me get this one right here. So here we are at net lick, and we're doing good. 16.34%, y'all. And today is June the 7th. I was born in 1970. I was about to drive in 1970. I'm only 54 years old, even though I look like 34. And our net lick is 49,673.18. Rico and the birthday band, fire it up, baby.
Well, we're moving on up to the east side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky.
Y'all, we are up 18.2% on the year. I'm only trying to get 20 because I'm not greedy. Remember, if we get 20% a year, ladies and gentlemen, we are among the best traders on the planet. 18.20%. I can be very conservative. And actually, all I need to do is just put my money in bill for the rest of the year. But I am a greedy, capitalistic bastard. Thank you, Matt, for the birthday wish. I appreciate that. All right, so let's look at our Greeks and ratios today. Just want to do 20, y'all. I don't want to do Tom King, 80% a year. That's not me. I just want to do 20. That's all I want to do. So we're at 51.15. What happened to my theta? 51.15. Let's put that in. 51.15. That means GTC orders filled. Y'all know it does whenever you see it go down like that. So we'll fix that. And our buying power is positions $11,000. So instantly you could say, hey, how did I go from 85 to 15? And y'all know that means GTC orders fill. So let's go fill those in. Let's look at our orders here. So we had activity. Look at this. We filled 10 and 5. So we bought 5 at 4,000 at 49 days. Let's see if we can do this. 4,000 is 49 days. Let's see. 4,000 4,000. At 49 days. We bought 5 of those. So let's put those in. So that'll be BSH 9 one. Someone come in and said, Bobby, it's a little hard for you to keep up with all these BSHs. And I go, yeah, it is. So this is BSH 9, 4,000 puts, and they're long hedge, and they're at 49 days today. And it filled on my birthday, 6/7/24, for $1.55. Okay, good. Now let's see the second batch that filled. We had 10 that filled at 56 days, 38.50s. 38.50s. Let's find those. 38.50s would have been 3,900s at 56 days right here. Well, that didn't take long at all, did it? So this would be BSH 12. BSH 12, and we get 10 of them puppies. So this is BSH 12, 38.50s, puts, long hedge, and these are at 56 days, 6/7/24, and those filled in $1.55. Now, what you can say is how many tranches is that? That's one tranche, 2 tranches is 3 tranches. So we can sell 3 tranches now. So let's do that. Let's sell 3 tranches. Let's go and thank you, Victor. I appreciate that. Notional Ed, thank you so much for the birthday wishes. So let's trade ES and let's sell us 9 of these things. Let's see what we got here. We want to do over 60 days because that's what Ron Bertino told us. So why don't we go, let's see what we got at 70 days here. 70 days for $3. Oh, I got to log out. I need to do this every day because you get wonky strikes and everything doesn't fill in. So let's go back in. Thank you, John. All right, so here we go. I'm 54 years old. I've only been arrested twice in 2 states, which is not bad. I mean, I'm probably the only one here that's been arrested, thank you, DB, in 2 states. Let's see, the 2 states are Georgia and Alabama. So, spending a little time in the pokey, ain't too bad at 54. Once for banana peel throwing. I almost went to jail that night, Ed. That's exactly right. The first one was for I was driving on a suspended license. I did not know it. I got a ticket down in Bainbridge, Georgia, many years ago, and I was like, "Oh heck, screw it." You don't think about paying it. Next thing you know, they're having the stop thing. You're like, "Sir, do you realize your license has been suspended?" I said, "Suspended for what?" And then they looked it up, and apparently I didn't pay a ticket, so I went to the pokey that day. And then the second one was on a speeding charge that I was trying to convince the state trooper, the Alabama state trooper, that he had got the wrong person. I really did, and I was just trying to draw him a little map, and he didn't like it. Next thing you know, he says, "Step out." Next thing you know, I was in cuffs, and he tried to put me in the back of his car, and I wouldn't fit. He had to call for backup, y'all. It's very embarrassing. Very embarrassing. So the woman at the dispatch said, "You brought him in for what?" She said, "How long you been on the force?" And he's like, 6 months. She says, "Damn." She says, "Unbelievable, some bitch clogging all what we do here with dumbass stuff like this. You brought him in for what?" I'll never forget her saying that. And I thought, yeah, you dumbass. His name was Officer Hale, state trooper, Alabama state trooper. Unbelievable. He was, and the guy that actually put me in his front of his car, he said, "I'll just take him put in front of her." He goes, "You must have pissed him off." He said, "What'd you do?" And I said, "I was trying to draw him a little thing to show him I think he might have got the wrong car." He said, "He apparently didn't like it." Then I almost got arrested the time at the Krispy Kreme Donuts. I don't even talk about that in Birmingham on First Avenue North. Lord, I got a 5-year ban from there. Yeah, I've got issues. We all got issues. All right, what was I doing here? So here we could sell these, right? We could try to get 320 for them. So let's see. And we want to do what, 9? 9 of these things. So let's try to sell 9 of these things for 920. Hey, look at us. 9 for 320. So we got 70 days, 40 50s, 320, 70, 40, 50, 40, 50, 70, 40, 50. We said 70 days. And we said we got 320 for those things. So ES, and then we got, let's see, ES, what I do? 9 of those, right? And then, so this is going to be a BSH 13, not a bash, but a BSH 13, and put short hedge, right? And 6, 7, 24. Now I got to put all these in their things, y'all. So we got to put the BSH 9 and BSH 12 into their things. Oh my gosh. BSH 9 and BSH 12. If I don't do them with y'all, we just won't do them. BSH 9, BSH 12. Let's see if it's BSH 9. That's not there. BSH 9. Oh my God. There it is. BSH 9. Ungroup. And the BSH 9 was 4,000s, 40, 50 at 49 days. 40, 50s, 49 days. Let's see that. It is hard to keep up with it. I ain't gonna lie to you. 49. $30, $50. God, I done got lost. So, a second. Y'all help me remember this. So the BSH 9 is the 4,000s and 40, 50s, 56 days. No, 49 days. 49 days. 40, 50s. 40, 50s. I don't see no 40. Oh, here we go. 9. No, that's 70 days. We need 49 days. Y'all help me. Not there. ESM, 14 days. ESZ, 105. My goodness. This is a mess. ESU, 49 days. There's the 5. Where are the 3 at 49 days? Unbelievable. Looks like I need 49 days over here. I don't know, man. Over my head. I'll come back and do it later. I'd take about 3 Adderalls to get that done. And maybe drink me a cup of coffee. All right. So then, let's see, we did the BSH 13, which is 40, 50s with 70. So that's BSS 13. Let's find that. 40, 50s at 70 days. 40, 50s at 70 days. Let's see. 9, 40, 50s at 70 days. This is BSH 13. Group positions. I said group positions. BSH 13. We know that's right. All right, we got that one in there. All right, so now let's see what we got. Now, what is the, how many we do into this one today? I guess we need to do this one. I don't have a thing. This is where I need to, what's my Greeks and ratios now look like? So now we're at, where's it at? Now we're at 110.88. Let's put that in. 110.88. 88. Oh, yes. Look at that, y'all. And our buying power. Now you got to come over here and do your position thing and do this cap requirement. And you got to rehash that so it'll redo. But we're at 21.5 now. Let's put 21.5 in there. 43%. Yeah, I don't know that I need to put in another trade. Do y'all? I think that theta's sweet. Theta's sweet. So let's don't even put on another 111. Yeah, it could be a Muscadine Mafia member. Officer Hale. Well, he made hell for my life that day. I'll never forget him. I think it was, I hate to say this, y'all, because I'm not the one to cry out the race card, but I think it was racially motivated. I really do. I think he was trying to make an example out of Whitey. You know, here I am, Crystal White, and I thought, boy, he was African American, and he was just, I don't know, he treated me something awful. I ain't lying. And I always thought it was racially motivated, but who knows? I'm not going to cry the race card. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to be an O.J. Simpson. I served my time. I was in jail for probably 30 minutes. I remember the inmates come around and they were serving everybody tea. And they said, "Hey, man, you want some tea?" I said, "No, man, I'm good." He goes, "Hey, you in the slammer? You might as well drink a tea." Hell, I drank a tea. Horrible. Boy, I don't think it had no sugar in it at all. It was just nasty. But what do I know? All right, what are we doing now? So, I mean, how many people can say they've been in jail in 2 states? I mean, that's kind of cool, right? That's like at a cocktail party. You just thought, "Hey, man, how many times you been in the slammer?" You know, and I can always tell my kids, my daughter's boyfriends, "Hey, I've been to jail twice in 2 states. I don't mind going again, Jack. Don't try me." You know, what was you in for? "Oh, I spooned a man." Spooned a man? Yeah, I killed him with a spoon. All right, so we're going to do this other account now, real quick, like y'all, because remember, we got more money in this account now. So let's go to this account, the Crimson account, and let's do this one. And I think the position sizer told us on this one we were supposed to do 6 a week. So we did 3 on Monday. So let's do 3 today. You want to? So let's go look at the net lick on this one. Today is 6/7/24. And we are at, hold on, let's see what this account says. Come here, little feller. 80, 540, 551.97. 551.97. Rico, I know y'all about to go sleep over there. Fire it up, baby.
Well, we're moving on now.
Yes,
To
hallelujah.
the side. To a deluxe apartment in the sky.
All right, so let's see. We're going to this one. So we're at 22.17. 22.17. We are way low on this one. And VIX is at 12. And then our buying power is, we don't want to count Bill. I bought Bill without y'all knowing it the other day. I did it after our session, so I apologize for that one. But we are at 3,600, 36.33. 36, 54.55%. So we got to rev this up a little bit, don't we? So let's go do 3 micros in this one. 3 micros. So we're going to go MES. All right. So we're going to go 120 days. So got 105 and 133. That's 15 away. That's only 13 away. So let's go there. And let's go 10 delta, 31.75. Let's try to get $32 for it. And we said we got to do 3. 3,200 is 3. There we go. So we did 48.50s, 133. 48.50s, 133. 48.50, 133. Now let's fill in the rest of it. It's the macros. And we did 3. So this is going to be NP10. And puts and naked and 6/7/24. And what do we do? $33? Let me double check that. Let's see, our activity was $32. $32. All right, so now let's put our put debit spread in. So let's go trade 133, 25 delta. Right in here, 5250, 5200 for 985. Let's see if we can get filled from it. I said, let's see if we can, supposed to do 3 of those, aren't I? Sorry. Similar order. Let's do 2 more of them. And of course, now it won't get filled. Dang it. Dagnabbit. Well, let me put them in anyway, and we'll wait till you get filled. So we got filled the 5250s for 985. 5250s, 985. 5250. 985. Okay, so MES, 3 of those. PDS 10. Puts debit spread 133, 6, 7, 24. Can't believe that ain't filling. Come on. Let's see. Working order. Replace. We'll go 990. Close enough, right? So now let's go to positions. And let's make sure we got everything. All right, so PDS 10, I think, NP 10, NP 10, PDS 10. So let's go NP 10. And PDS 10. It's easy when you've got everything, lumped in there, because then it's the only thing that's not lumped. That's not great. PDS 10. Let's make sure we don't have anything that says we need to be taking it off. Nope, everything looks good, y'all. All right, so what we need to look at today, I think, is the neat thing. Here's what we really need to focus on. Not in this one. The other one, well, this one is because we just have started it again, remember? But let's look at the other one. Let's go Tasty Trade Spreadsheet. I think this is the important takeaway, is that realized returns, y'all, we're up 18.2% and the market's up 12.45%. Let's see, Matt, Bobby, how does one get over the feeling of trying to time the market? Stop it, Matt. Just stop it. With such a low VIX, I'm apprehensive to continue putting on trades. Why? Matt, let me talk to you a second. Matt. Let me play the music. Matt, you've come to the family. We're gathered together. I'm here for you, Matt. We don't fear the trade. We respect the plan. We trade the plan. We don't trade the market. We trade the plan. That's how. You just keep going. You look at your Greeks and ratios, and you let your Greeks and ratios do all the work. Hi, Bobby. Happy birthday. Where would we find the tractor you created? All right, Laura, if you will join Ninja Nerds or the Hello Ladies game,
Hello, ladies.
or the Muscadine Mafia, then you will send me a message after you join them within those prospective chat rooms and say, hey, Bobby, email me the spreadsheet. And then I'll email. It's free to you if you join any of those exclusive clubs. All right. So, Matt, the next one is for you. Oh, you're already a member of Muscadine Mafia? Then go into Muscadine Mafia chat. Go into the Muscadine Mafia chat room and say, hey, Bob, and make sure you tag me. Say, hey, at Sweet Bobby. So I'll see it. Send me a spreadsheet and then put your email in there. Okay. All right. Great session, y'all. I appreciate and love all of you. Hope you have a wonderful day. Let's go to Muscadine Mafia session next. And we'll see everybody else on Monday.